So here we are back at it again with another Is It Worth It review. Today we have the Polestar 3 dual motor long range. And my first thoughts about this vehicle, it gave me a crossover feeling slash vibe. Like it made me feel like it was a crossover in between an SUV and like something sporty. So like I always state in every review, my number one thing on my checklist is comfortability. And instantly when I sat in this vehicle, I definitely felt confined. I am 6'4", so often a lot of times I'm looking for that length and headroom. And honestly, in this vehicle, I definitely felt like everything was real tight in here. So that was something that stuck out to me instantly. The refresh rate on this screen was pretty responsive, so that was definitely a check off the list. I thought the yellow seat belts definitely gave the inside of this interior some personality. Based off it being so much white in the inside, the yellow definitely popped. One of the things I look for when I'm doing these car reviews is how heavy a door is when I open it up. Because I feel like you could tell a lot about the durability and the quality of a vehicle based off how it's made. The door and the quality of the car felt pretty good. Hey, Wando. It's kind of tight. It's kind of tight in here. Trunk was pretty standard, nothing too crazy as far as space wise. So as far as the look on this vehicle, I would definitely probably give it an 8 out of 10. As far as the comfortability aspect, I would give it a 7 out of 10. So the question is this car worth it for $70K, roughly MSR price? Honestly, I probably would not purchase this vehicle just because of the comfortability aspect. The look is pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie, the look of the car, I definitely feel like it's a clean look. Gives me more like a soccer mom vibe, but overall I probably would not purchase this vehicle. It's not worth it for me. But there you have it. Until next time, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and remember, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and always ask yourself, is it worth it?